Here is our mulberry tree. It's not a very big tree, but it has given us so much fruit this year, which is amazing. Alhamdulillah, it's given us so much fruit. Just being a small tree like that. I imagine if it is a big tree, I can only imagine if it's a big tree how much fruit it will bear in a season. Lovely, very nice tasting fruit mulberries that we had. This is a reddish black colored mulberry tree, and then there is a citrus tree right next to it. The thing I wanted to show is actually this. Here we've got a spider's web, and nobody likes to have spider's web around their plants or in the house. But looking at the function of it, the more spider's web we have, the less insects we have, because who likes flies and mosquitoes? Everybody wants them killed. Everybody wants their house. Sorry for the background noise, but the thing is, the more nests we have, the thing is, the more spider webs we have, the more flies and mosquitoes and stuff like that they catch, and the better it is for us and our environment. So we shouldn't get worried about spiders, and we shouldn't get worried about spider webs. If we see any, I personally think we should leave them alone. I would like to see more of spider webs in my garden, because if I have more spider webs, I'll have less of these flies and mosquitoes and insects. So this is one thing I think every garden must have and every household must have. We should look after the spiders, create niches for them. In permaculture, this is one of the things we see how something can benefit us, and then we create better environments for that particular thing so that we can reap more benefits. Here once again, I'd like to see more of the spiders and more of the spider webs and more flies like things caught in them. That's about it.